Welcome to KMIT Vista. In this unit of 4th in AI technologies and applications, we have our next topic, precision agriculture to agriculture and the greenhouse. So to create an yield of the crops, always we use a method called as greenhouse. We see our greenhouse directly. What is a greenhouse? So AI powered greenhouse involve integrating various technologies to optimize the growing environment for the plants. This includes monitoring and controlling factors like temperature, humidity, light, soil conditions, maximize the growth, and yield will minimize the resource use. So to create to design a AI driven greenhouse, always we need to control and monitor the temperature and humidity, light and soil conditions that can improve the yield of the crop. So, what are the objectives to design an AI powered greenhouse? So, to create that, we need to create our climate control. So, first one is the climate control. To maintain the optimal temperature and humidity levels in the control. Next is lightning management. Always it has to provide sufficient light to the plants. Next is irrigation control, always optimizing the water usage and ensuring the plants receive only adequate moisture. Next is nutrient management, ensure that the soil has right nutrients for the plant growth. Next is pest and disease detection, always we need to detect early and manage the pests and diseases of the greenhouse. So the key components that required to design a AI powered greenhouse is sensors and actuators. So once the greenhouse are installed with sensors and actuators, sensors will collect all the real time data like temperature, humidity, to know about the air and soil conditions. Light sensor measures the amount of light reaching to the plants. Soil moisture sensors will be collecting the moisture levels in the greenhouse. Next is CO2 sensors, measures the concentration of CO2 in the air, and the actuators are required to control the environment of the greenhouse based on the sensor data. Here we have actuators are heaters and coolers to adjust the temperatures. Humidifiers and dehumidifiers are required to adjust the humidity level. Light sensors are used to create a artificial light when natural light is insufficient. Next is irrigation system to control the water supply to the plants. Ventilation system control, always it controls actuators, ventilator actuators will control the airflow and the CO2 levels. So with all the sensors and actuators, we need the IoT devices. We connect all these sensors and actuators to the IoT device that connects all the sensors and actuators to collect all real time data. Once the data is collected, always the data should be stored somewhere, which is nothing but we can use either cloud based platforms or local servers to store and process the data. This is essential, the data is essential for training the models and running the analytics. Once the data is collected, always we need to pre-process the data. Once pre-process is done, we need to use different models for doing different tasks. Climate control objective, light management system. For light management system, we use time series analysis. Always it predicts the light requirements based on the historical light data. Control systems develop the algorithms that controls the artificial lightning, and regression models are used to know about the humidity and temperature on the historical data. And we start developing the classification models, regression models and clustering models to solve all the problems of the greenhouse. Later, once the models are model accuracy is best, we start integrating and deploying. IoT integration connect all the sensors and actuators to the central IoT hub for real time monitoring and control. Cloud integration, always we need to integrate to the cloud to store and process the data and analyze the. So we use AWS or the Google Cloud for creating a robust solution. After that, we start creating an user interface, developing a user friendly interface to monitor and control the greenhouse. It can be a web application or the mobile application. Once the model is done, we continuously monitor and improve the AI model performance and system performance by using feedback loop, regular updating the model accuracy and monitoring the whether it is running optimally or not. So once this is done, we have the AI powered greenhouse which can monitor in hand and also which can store or update the data in the cloud. So once the data is updated, so we can continuously monitor and provide certain temperature, certain humidity, certain light, particular light, and we can enhance the performance of the greenhouse over a time to yield the crop in the greenhouse and to improve the efficiency and productivity of the greenhouse operations. Thank you.